Hey girlfriends, welcome back to the channel for another video. If you're new here, my name is GeranikaMycia, but all my friends call me G. And if you're a returning subscriber, girl, thanks for clicking on my face. I'm not gonna go with the rundown, because this is gonna be a life update chit chat vlog. And yeah, as you guys probably can hear, there's an echo. Girl, I moved, okay? I moved. Like, I don't even know. I woke up and I'm like, how did we get here? Like, how did this happen? Everything happened so quick. Even my family was like, you did what? When? How? I literally woke up Tuesday morning, went to yoga. On my way home, I was like, I'm about to get an apartment. I'm moving. And by Friday, I literally signed a lease and I was out of the house, girl. Hold on, let me turn y'all, because I don't have my proper tripod, so I'm using a totally different tripod. And I'm in the bathroom because the lighting is sickening. But yeah, everything happened, y'all, so freaking quick. So that's why you guys didn't get a video last week. I have a lot of moving parts going on in my life right now, and I just feel like right now is not the time for me to leave New Orleans, because I have so much going on here. So I need to be here a little longer. And if I'm going to be here a little longer, it's time for me to move. And for those of you who didn't know, I was staying at home with my family, because if we're being honest, I didn't know what you want to do. I was so indecisive, and I was like, I don't want to make any move until I know that, okay, this is what I need to do. So in that time, just save money, stay home. And if we're being honest, it's the crazy thing is, y'all, I got so many, but I would never acknowledge those things, because I'm like, listen, I know the plans that God has for me, baby. You cannot discourage me. You cannot make me feel bad. You cannot do it to me, okay? I used to get so many messages from people saying, why are you buying luxury things but you're still staying at home? Why are you doing this but you're still staying at home? And I'm like, hey, it's my life right now. But yeah, I really didn't know what I wanted to do. So I was like, instead of me making a random move, I know this move may seem random, but I promise it's not. I just stayed home. But the thing that made me really be like, okay, it's time for me to leave home, I feel like I ain't gonna say I overstayed my welcome. It was just time to go. I did not expect to start doing YouTube, and I dang sure did not expect for people to start watching so fast, because I would always hear people say it take a few years. Child, I started doing YouTube and things start taking off, and I'm just like, okay, I signed up for this, they didn't. And if you've been watching my content for the past 2 years, I kind of keep all my content. When I'm at home, I try to keep my content in my room, because I personally wouldn't want somebody to come to my house and just start a whole YouTube channel, and now you got my whole house, everything on YouTube. Everybody didn't sign up for that. I did. So I tried to respect other people's space and privacy. So yeah, that was another thing. I was like, okay, if I'm gonna stay in New Orleans, I need to move out. So I moved out literally. It was kind of like, I need to go to the store to get milk. I was like, nah, I just need to get an apartment. I literally saw the apartment on Tuesday, got the keys on Friday. Bam, everything happened so fast. And when I tell you guys, I'm obsessed with this place, I'm literally freaking obsessed, like obsessed. Some of y'all probably commenting down below right now, I cannot wait to see an apartment tour. I'm sorry to tell y'all, but I will not be doing an apartment tour. That's just not my vibe. I love watching them, but I will not be doing one. However, I will be keeping y'all updated on like home decor, because I feel like you guys, yeah, by me being always recording in my room, I didn't really show too much home decor. But yeah, I'm obsessed with home decor. So, and oh girl, I'm also realizing my home decor style is real expensive, okay? Furniture, everything is expensive. Speaking of furniture, girl, I literally signed a lease and then I ordered a couch. I've been looking at this couch for a long time, and I was like, when I get an apartment, I'm getting this couch. As soon as I signed the lease, the ink wasn't dry. I was checking out on my cart for this couch. So the couch was on back order, and they was like, we're gonna ship the couch out in August. I'm like, August? Girl, what am I gonna do till August? I need a couch like now. Look at God. Some told me call them. Once the couch comes, I'm gonna show you guys everything. I'm gonna keep you on the journey. We ain't doing a full apartment tour, but I'll keep you on the journey. Girl, the couch getting delivered this week. I said, look at God. Like, something told me call, and then a couch was in stock. They had a few, so we getting the couch this week. But yeah, after this video, this Thursday, we'll be back to fashion content. I'm excited for the content, y'all. The content is about to, it's like when I was recording in my room at home, I had to make it do what it do in my room, okay? Like, my room wasn't big at all. I just had to work with what I had. That was my life. But now, oh y'all, I mean, listen, y'all in for a treat because the content is going to be there, okay? Now y'all gonna have to bear with me on the echo. I'm gonna try as hard as I can to like reduce the echo in post edits, but for now, girl, the echo is gonna be echoing, okay? But yeah, I just had to share with you guys because I know me, I can be very passive aggressive. I would literally be recording in a whole new setup and I wouldn't say a word. Okay, people would be like, G, did you move? And I'd be like scrolling past it. I can be real passive aggressive sometimes. So I was like, I'm not gonna do that because you guys have been on this life journey with me. I've shared so many parts of my personal development and just my ups and downs, and I just feel like this is something that I wanted to share with you guys because we've been talking about it so much. And for those of you who are like, are you still going to New York? Girl, New York will forever be on the board, the vision board, okay? New York will forever be on the move. That's one place that I already know I'm gonna end up there. One day, not today, but one day she's gonna end up there. So she's not pressed, but she's pressed, but not too pressed. But yeah, I've been sharing so much with y'all, so I was like, I can't just do that to my girls. I can't be passive aggressive in a whole new space, ignoring comments like, girl, did you move or not? So I was like, I have to share because why not? I'm not gonna overshare. Now I feel like what I'm realizing is I'm very private. It may seem like I'm not private and I share a lot, but I really do not share a lot. And I love watching other people's channels, and I feel like now I'm in the space where I have to learn how to share without oversharing, because I think it's so weird, and this is just my mind thing. I don't like the fact that some influencers, I know their house like the back of my hand. Like I can literally walk in your house, get me a cup of tea, I know where the sugar at, I know where everything at, because people show a lot and that's not really my vibe. So I'm not gonna be hiding nothing, but I just feel like I have to get used to what I want to share and what I don't want to share, because also the internet is weird, girl. The internet is weird. The things that people would do to just find you, it's weird, okay? So we ain't got time for those. We ain't got time for the weirdos. But yes, I just wanted to share this video with you guys, give you guys a little update. And yeah, this month, y'all, I have girl, we're gonna talk. Let me tell you something. This month, the month of June, y'all know my birthday is at the end of the month, and when I tell y'all every single thing that I have been writing down, saying that I wanted to do before 30, what I wanted to have before 30, for a long time, a lot of things was kind of like feeling like it wasn't gonna happen. I was putting so much pressure on myself because if we're being honest, I didn't know where I wanted to live, and that was frustrating the hell out of me. So I was like, until I know, okay, that's definitely where I need to be in this moment in my life, we're gonna just get cozy right here. But everything that I wrote down saying that I wanted and I wanted to have and I wanted to do, can y'all believe? And I had to tell God, I was like, it's crazy, you always show me that it's not on my time. It's always, you know how they say, he may not come when you need him, but he always on time. I think that's how you say it. But everything, he's just like, check, it's June 1st happened, and girl, we're only, what's today's date? Cause let me make this real clear. Oh girl, wait a minute. Today is the 5th, June 5th. And the past 5 days, y'all, everything just been checking off. Like, and I'm like, how? Like, literally in the final hour, the things that he's doing in my life, like, I just feel like he didn't open up a window and pouring out the blessings on me, okay? And it's just like mind-blowing me. It's like mind-blowing to me, because even like with like YouTube stuff, I remember I wrote down something, I was like, I want this. And next thing I know, everything, girl, emails are pouring in, blessings are pouring in, and I'm just like, okay, I see what you're doing. Like, this next chapter of my life, girl, chapter 30 is gonna be something, okay? And at the end of this month, I got something for y'all. Stay tuned, it's gonna be good. But yeah, it's just like he's blowing my mind, and I always tell him, I give you full permission to blow my mind, have your way in my life, and girl, he's doing just that. So I am honored, even the fact that I can wake up on a random Tuesday, and I promise y'all, when I woke up Tuesday, I had no desire to move. I just was wanted to run to Starbucks and get a black coffee and go to yoga. I was literally rushing, like, oh, I just want to get to yoga, that's it, because it was my favorite yoga instructor that day. Had no desire to move, no intentions on moving. Literally pulled up in the driveway and it just popped in my head, move. And I said, okay. And Friday, and then I can be very impulsive. And I was like, I started panicking a little. I had a little too much peace with that decision. Usually I'd be like, all right, girl, hold on, let's sit down and think about this. So in that moment, it's like I was at peace. I booked the tour. And then I saw the apartment, I was like, okay, I'm gonna do it. And then I was like, okay, let me pray to God. I said, God, if you are telling me to do this, I'll do it, okay? In this time in my life, I don't have time to be asking you, because one thing I'm gonna ask him, why would you want me to do that? This just don't make no sense. I feel like with God, girl, you gotta be real, just be yourself, because he already know. And he know me, I'm gonna ask a million questions. I didn't even ask anything. I said, okay. And I started to question it because I felt like it was happening so quick. And I was like, okay, God, if you want me to move, I'm gonna move. But I'm gonna need you to give me a clear sign that this is what I'm supposed to do. I want you to make everything go super smooth, like just make it so easy. If I'm not supposed to be doing this, I want you to wreck this thing apart. Don't let me move forward. Stop it right now. Girl, when I tell you it happened so smooth, it happened so smooth. Like literally it was like going to buy some milk at the store. It was just easy. And I was like, oh, okay. And I'm obsessed. So yeah, we're in a new chapter. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna share with the girls because life, don't get me wrong, the past few months of life has just been dragging me, okay? But now I can't even lie. A lot of things, the past few months, it's just been like tough, but something happened June 1st, girl. Something happened, and he just been, God been telling me no for a lot of things for years. And I just feel like everything I ask him for now is like yes, 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 yes. He's giving me things that I asked for years ago. And they're like showing up now. Things that I forgot I asked for, and they're showing up now. So for those of you out there, you may be in a tough time in life, girl, keep pushing, keep your head up. You have to believe that it may not happen today, it may not happen next week, it may not happen next year. But when God say yes, that's it. That's all you need. But you have to be patient. Oof, he definitely taught me patience, child. But I promise you, waiting on God and his plan and what he wants for you is so much worth, and it's worth the wait, because what we can do for ourselves could never compare to what God can do for us. So be patient, my girl. You're gonna come out on the other side. I don't know what you're going through, what you may be going through. You may be down and just feel like nothing ain't working for me. I see God blessing everybody else. The way I look at it, if he blessing them over there, he gonna spin the block and come back over here with me, okay? So yeah, girl, how long have I been talking? Oh, 13 minutes, girl. Let me go. Just wanted to say, hey girl, hey, we moved. Yeah. The funny thing is, y'all, you know how you move and you find stuff? Now I'm getting random. You find stuff, I'm moving, and I always forget I have things. Yeah, let me show y'all these shoes I completely forgot I had. Hold on. So I am literally moving, and I found this box all the way in the back of my closet, and girl, hold on, let's turn it this way so we can get the lighting. Look how sickening this shoe is. These are Ferragamo heels. You guys know I have the pink. I completely, ignore my nails, y'all. I haven't had time to get my nails done. I'm falling apart. My hair is falling apart, but the skin is flourishing, okay? These shoes are sickening. They wrap around the ankle, and they're like a pump, but that heel, these are just so good. And what I love about this shoe, it doesn't come all the way up. You probably could see it. It doesn't come all the way up on your feet. It has like this contour silhouette. Oh my god, it's so sexy on, girl. So these are so cute. I look forward to see all of the other things that I forgot that I have. Also, for those of you might be asking about closet, I don't have a lot of closet space in this apartment. However, I do have I'm getting a pack system. We're gonna do pack system because, child, I've been living out of my small closet for too long. We need to see the things, okay? So yes, girl. So that's all that I have to say. Let's turn this way so I can get the lighting. Just wanted to say, hey girl, hey, G move, as you can tell by the title. And yeah, I'm gonna keep you guys updated on the move, the home decor, the Amazon finds, because Amazon got me and my wallet in a whole complete chokehold. It'll be 3 a.m. and I'm shopping on Amazon. It's like every day, just adding something to the cart, and I'm like, hold the hell on now. Mr. Jeff is robbing me. Okay, well, not really. I'm just literally opening up my pocket and saying, take my money. Oh, now I see why the girls be loving Amazon. Like, I feel like I love Amazon, but I never really cared to look at Amazon home stuff because I had nowhere to put anything. And now, I can't lie, y'all, furnishing in an apartment or a home, oh, it's so fun. It's expensive, but it is so fun. Like, I want everything, okay? Everything. Sign me up for it all. So, yeah, girl, y'all, I'm about to literally, I just been ranting, so I don't have to really edit this video. I'm about to pop this video up on YouTube, and then you guys are going to see it. I need a thumbnail, but yeah, girl, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And I just want to say to all my OG followers who've been with me the past 2 years, I just want to say thank you so much for supporting me, commenting. If I don't upload a video, you keep sending me messages making sure I'm okay. I just want to say I truly appreciate each and every last one of you. And to my new subscribers, hey girl, hey, welcome to the channel. I appreciate you too, because the thing is this, I appreciate y'all because y'all don't have to come here. And that's why I feel like with my content, whether it's 10 minutes, 40 minutes, I feel like if you click on my video, I want to make sure you're not wasting your time. I don't want to just put out a video to say I'm putting out a video just to have an upload. I want you guys to know I value your time. I value coming over and clicking on my face, because you could be doing anything with your time. The 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 10 minutes, how long is the video? I don't know. You could be doing anything, so I don't want you to ever come over here and be like, girl, that was a waste of my time. I could have been washing my clothes and blah, blah, blah. No, I want y'all to feel like I appreciate y'all time too. So that's why I didn't put up no videos last week, because I ain't have none to put up because I was... But yeah, girl, I appreciate you guys. And if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And I'll be back Thursday with the fashion content. I got a good haul coming up, girl. Y'all gonna be surprised with this haul, but I got a good haul coming up Thursday. So I will see you girls Thursday, or actually I will see you girls in the comments, because y'all know we about to be chitting, chatting, chatting. Okay, so bye, girlfriends.